just didn't go out there and holler. Good morning. You don't want no coffee? Well, fine. I'll drink the coffee. Yes. I might smack you in the mouth, Brody. Tread carefully. Hey, thanks, Jonathan. Much appreciated, friend. Tattoo tour? Sure. I got a man. Thank you very much. Then this one. What's my opinion on the word panties? My opinion on the question might be different. The back ones? The back ones are old. I think they're like the oldest. Oh, I forgot this one. One of the stars was my first tattoo. The fox was my second. And then some point along the line, I got the second star. So 3 on my back. Actually, I have a back piece that I'm designing. I'm designing a sternum piece. And then I want to fill in some of the open. Send the galaxy then, friend. Send it. I ain't got nothing but a cup of coffee. Washington. Hey. Thanks, friend. No. The fucking dog wants to be the center of attention right now, so we're gonna give him his show. This is Clyde. He's a pain in the ass. It's still dark outside. It's frozen, so it's a bummer. Mike, I will not call you. It is not Wednesday. Oops. Back. I am from Washington State. Why won't it let me choose? That's obnoxious. Nope. Thank you. Bro did drop his number in the chat. He's gonna wait for Jake from State Farm. Good morning, how are you? couple minutes. Very nice. Well, hello, Pasco. I'm in fucking Spotown. Good morning, Lucas. How are you, sugar? Man, oh man, do I wish I met you in another life. That's a negative, Keith. I don't want to go to WrestleMania. That hasn't been good since Stone Cold was in business. Yes, they do. You guys are wild. When do I want it? You know what's funny? There's only one person in this chat. Lucas. You too, sugar. I hope your coffee's great. Somebody. What did he say? Yes, somebody. Absolutely. Hey, Devontae. Good morning, Brian. Got the cake. Tyrese, I am not going to fucking message you. Stop it. And another one bites the dust. And another one gone. And another one gone. Oh, another day in paradise, friend. Throwing my fucking coffee everywhere. It's terrible. Keith. Shush. Logan, I absolutely did. Actually, no, the coconuts are Biggie Smalls, but thanks so much. Little wedgie. My kids are sleeping, so just wait.